The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Okay, go.
Itsy spider, mommy.
Okay.
Do it.
Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca, can you tell him that you're sorry? Tell him that you're sorry, honey. That wasn't very nice. Tell him. Say, I'm sorry. Cash. Can you tell him? She's talking to you. Tell him, I'm sorry. Oh, come on. Tell him.
Thank you.
See, he went down on his belly.
Crazy.
See that? Go back up the steps. Go on. Go back over there. Mommy's up there. Go up there.
Cash, climb. Go. Don't go up the slide, guy.
I'm up here.
Because people are coming down. Let's go around and climb up.
Are you ready to go?
I want to see you climb up over there.